What up, YouTube, and welcome back, or welcome to my channel if this is the first time that you're joining me. Now, if you are watching this video, you have either been watching my shorts where I've been doing a bunch of really cool Celtic knot designs, or you've been looking to try to draw your own Celtic knot designs. In this video, that's what I'm going to be showing you. So, if this is something you are interested in, stick around and check out the other vids. Alright, so for this video, I'm going to show you the basic technique to create that really cool Celtic knot weave pattern. I'm going to be showing you a few ways that you can end your designs, and then we're going to go a little bit more elaborate with some of the other things that you can do with them. Now, granted, this is not even close to how far you can go with your designs, but I figure we'll start with the basics for now, and then we'll go if you want to go a little bit further. So now we've got our graph paper, and so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to come in here, and I'm just going to make a few little, you know what, lead helps. Lead definitely helps. Gotta get the lead out after all. So I'm just going to start, and I'm going to make a circle right there. So you see how big I made that? Then I'm going to make a circle right here, like that. Then I'm going to make a circle here like that. And then I'm going to put a circle here like that, a circle here like that, circle here, circle here, circle here, circle here. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go in with my pen. Yep, you remember, just a basic pen. And then I'm going to go the inside of the circle to the inside of the circle. And I'm going to connect that as such. See, just like that. But then, because it's a weave, the other side is going to have to go the opposite direction. So in here, I go the inside and inside here. And then because this one is perpendicular, I'm going to go here and here. And then over here, here, and here. So now you'll notice that I've got this one here that's going to go this direction. This one's going to go this direction. So then I just go in and I connect like so. So that way it's like that. Well, this is part of the weave. And if this were just the design that I was working with, then I'm going to have to find some way to put a loop around the ends. So I'm going to start, and this is what's called the infinity symbol. So I'm just going to start here, and I'm going to come up. I'm going to loop it like that. Then I put a loop there. So see, now this one is going to go around, and then it's going to connect in with here, as connected through the other side. Well, over here, I'm going to do the same thing, like so. And now I have one thread. Well, I still have these other guys to worry about, so I'm going to come in here like this, and we're going to put a loop, and then I'm going to come up here like this, and I'm going to also put a loop. Now at this point, you might be asking, well, wait a second, I can put the loops there like that, but is that the only way that I can put them? And of course, the answer is no. So really fast, I'm just going to do another one. I'm going to do the exact same weave as before, only this time I'm going to put the caps on a different point. So I go in, connect like that, then I go like that, then I go like that, and then I go like that. Making sure to put that there. However, this time I'm going to make this loop. I'm going to loop it around so that it connects in here. So I'm going to go up and go around like that. And now that's connected. So now it goes under, over, around, under there like that. But then over here, I'm going to just put a loop. That'll go right here, like that. Then over here, I'll put a loop like this. And then over here, I will make a loop that will connect like that. And so now, one thing that's really interesting to note is that with this first example, by putting the loops on the places that I did, it turned it into 2 loops. You see 2 strings like that. Whereas putting the loops at the end here like this, I now have 1 continuous string for knots. So this is just a simple way of doing Celtic knotworks. Now, if you've been watching my shorts, you'll notice that I like to have them in a more diamond kind of pattern. And that's because I just personally think that it looks cool. For this next one, I'm going to do that. So I'm going to start in, and I'm going to start over here. So I'm going to put, my first dot is going to be right here, just like that. Actually, you know, I'm just going to use pencil. It's the principle of the thing. The idea is at the end, you'll go through and erase them. And you'll notice that I'm trying to keep the dots as evenly spaced as possible. You can play around with doing different spacing, and we will definitely have some fun with that. One of the things that I really love to make is I love to make Celtic knot snowflakes. Unfortunately, they take a lot longer than 15 seconds, and even when I run this thing at a really fast speed, it's unfortunately too long for a short. Thus, we get a full video. So anyways, so here I have my cool little diamond pattern, and what I like to do is then I'll come in here like this, I'll do the same stuff, and to make it faster, I just know that every other one is basically going to go the same direction. So I like to do all of those at one time. So that's why in the shorts you see that I tend to do one thing after another. However, I've also had a lot of people saying, oh man, you're just drawing a whole bunch of swastikas. It's like, no, that's not what I'm doing. Just please stop pointing that out. People see what they want to see. So, no swastikas. I'm literally just drawing threads. That's it. Now, with this one of the things that I like to do is I like putting the cap, and I like turning it into a little bit of a point, because it looks like a star at that little junction there. So then I do the same thing on the other side, like this. And remember how before I was pointing out that I could cap the ends one way or another way? Well, with this, I've got an end here, I've got an end here, end here, and an end here. The easiest way to actually cap this is I would just connect this one here to this one, and then that one to that one. Now I could put a loop here, but then I've got these guys that are left over. So the first thing is I'm just going to connect them like here, and connect them like here. Now, is it wrong to have loose ends just kind of going off doing what they want? Of course not. However, I think it's really cool when all of the threads connect to each other. So that's that. However, if we come over here, and I'm just going to, again, really fast, draw the grid for the exact same one, only this time I'm going to use a different method. And then I'm going to do, again, I'm doing the exact same thing, the exact same pattern. Just going across like this. And then connecting them like so. And this time, I'm going to put one end cap here like this. I'm going to put one end cap here like this. But I'm also going to put one end cap like this and one end cap like this. So now what I have left are, I've got this piece here, I got this piece here, I got this one here, and I got this one here. They need to do something. So I can either just draw it as a single thread that's just done. But one of the things that I did in one of my last videos that a few people liked was I would actually come down and loop down here, and then loop down like that. So I've got a thread that's coming down and loops around like that, and then it's going to come up here. Well, naturally, I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. That'd be like that. Then like that. So, as you can see, same bases we're going on with them, and same bases, but just by altering how you put the end threads on, you're going to really alter how you do the overall design. So, I hope this was a lot of fun for you guys. I hope you enjoyed, and also check out my other shorts. I do a whole bunch of these guys set to music. It's a lot more fun than listening to my voice sometimes. And if you also enjoy this, please consider giving it a like and a subscribe. I really appreciate you guys, and thanks for watching my video.